All right, Aaron's back, full forecast time. We've just been having such a great summer. So it's, yeah.
I thought you were going to say you're having such a great time with me.
Oh, is that not what I said? Because that's what I was thinking.
Rewind the tapes.
Is that not what came out? I'm glad that you know what tapes are. Look at you, young kid, knowing what these old guys used to do.
With the film, I have to actually say, I was talking to somebody yesterday, I'm always saying like, oh, like I was out filming something, and I remember in school they had to tell me, don't say you're filming something, because we don't do that anymore.
Well, we did.
I don't.
I know. Carry on.
Well, the weather today.
There you go.
Gonna be pretty decent overall, but we do have some rain on the way, everybody. Good Tuesday morning. Right now, not gonna be quite as sunny to a start as it was yesterday. There's already some of those thin clouds over the sky right now, so when the sun starts to rise here in the next, 20 minutes now, we're gonna start to notice everything really having some clouds, but we'll still get some sunshine through those as well. Going to be a pretty nice start to your day in that regard, but still hot and humid as we go through it. Your high temperatures are going to warm up. In addition to the sun and the clouds, as we progress through your day here today, we're going to have our first chance of rain in the last couple. Now, the rain that we have coming through today is really going to be partially driven from the sunshine that we get this morning. It's allowing everything to heat up a bit more. So we have a couple possibilities for some thunderstorms rolling through with this weak front. Now with that, we are under a severe risk, or 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather, I should say, for a good portion of the state. Even with that, though, the main thing it's looking at is just some high winds with this one. So we could see some of these getting a bit gustier as they move through. Luckily, they're moving through pretty quickly that we shouldn't see many issues for flash flooding, but you could see some localized flooding possible, but I wouldn't expect to see too many issues on that home front. These continue to move through. Generally, not going to be a ton on this one around, but we start to notice this really wrapping up after sunset and then not seeing too much afterwards. I think the big thing instead that you're going to notice today is the fact that we have high temperatures just like yesterday, where it's another hot and humid day. Temps inland getting up to around 90 degrees, so it's going to be hot. Feeling even hotter than this, mid-90s, so make sure you drink your water and stay hydrated and stay cool once again. But even with that, coastline staying a little bit cooler just because of that sea breeze and the wind direction that we have out there. Now, if we look down to the south and the Midwest, you can see in Arkansas right now, Beryl is down there continuing to move through, and I should say what's left of Beryl, post-tropical depression Beryl at this point in time. But as that starts to make its way towards us, tomorrow afternoon and evening, we'll start to notice a few of those showers and more so rain moving through at that point. It's going to be late in the afternoon, honestly, probably early evening when we start to notice this starting to make its way towards our area, but it's not just going to be some light showers. We're actually going to see some pretty heavy rainfall from this. It'll start to move through in the evening hours, and really northern Maine looking like we're going to get the bulk of this rain. The big key with this one is how the system moves through. If it just kind of wobbles a little bit, this could move slightly. So we have to keep watching this, and we will keep watching this as we get a bit closer. But we'll see some heavy rain starting Wednesday evening, continuing overnight. So while you're sleeping, if you like some heavy rain, it's going to sound nice in that regard, but we could have some flooding issues because of this, because there will be quite heavy rainfall as this moves through. Continues into Thursday morning as well. By Thursday afternoon, we start to notice us pulling out of the area. Still a few rain showers possible for the afternoon, but I wouldn't expect to see much. And by the evening hours, that's all wrapped up. But you still could see some rain for the second half of your Thursday, but not too much. Let's look at today's rainfall totals. Really not expecting much, so unless you get one of those heavier showers over, you're not looking at too much overall. Here's what we're expecting for Wednesday evening into Thursday from what's left over of Beryl. Anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches. You can see that heavier band of rain that's coming through, not even being picked up by any of these numbers here, but it's going to be a good bit as that moves through. So there could be some potential issues with heavy rainfall and flooding issues. Seas 2 to 3 feet for your day today. Winds out of the southwest around 5 to 15 knots, and the water temperature is slowly warming up since 66 degrees. I think it's probably a bit cooler than that because that's saying it's warming up very quickly, but just make sure you remember all the water temperatures are still pretty cool out there. So it's going to be a hot and humid day here today. Evening rain comes into tomorrow with the remnants of Beryl that continues into Thursday, but wrapping up mostly by the afternoon. Skies clear a bit more here as we get into your day on Friday, so it should be pretty decent for the weekend. Could still see some showers in there, obviously, but I wouldn't expect to see much. That system fully might go off to our south. We'll keep watching that for you, and it wouldn't be many showers anyways. And then a start to the week looks pretty nice as well. So, I mean, obviously have some rain coming through, but doesn't look too bad after we get through that.
No, and the rain will probably feel nice at that point. So it's been pretty warm. All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.